Hi guys, I am Vincent Mandi Ayadin. Today we'll be learning and understanding the heap sort. In this algorithm, we first need to build a heap using the given element. Then, we create a max heap to sort out those elements in order. So, once the heap is created, we swap the root node with the last node and delete the last node from the heap. So, when you say max heap, it is a parent's node, but it is greater than or equal to their children. When you say min heap, it is also a parent's node, but smaller than or equal to their children. So heap properties ensure a max heap. The largest element is always at the root. Then min heap, the smallest element is at the root.
What is Heapify? Heapify is a process of maintaining the heap property in a binary heap, max heap, and min heap. Heapify is essential for creating and maintaining the valid heap structure. So, steps of Heapify. Number 1, identify the root of its left and right children. Left child 2 times index plus 1. Right child is 2 times index plus 2. Number 2, compare the root with its children to find its largest or smallest. Then number 3, swap the root with its largest or smallest child if necessary.
So we will solve this particular data for 10, 3, 5, then 1. First, we need to build a heap for 10, 3, 5, then 1. Now that we build our heap, we need to transfer it into a max heap.
Ten is the largest, so it's greater than 4, so we swap 4 and 10. 5 is also greater than 4, so we swap them too. Swap the first and last node, then delete the last node from the heap. In a max heap, parent's node is always greater than or equal to child's node. Swap again the first and last node, then delete the last node from the heap. 4 is greater than 1, so swap. Then, you need to swap the first node and the last node and delete the last node. It's already a max heap, so swap the first and last node, then delete the last node. Only one element left, so the heap would stop and the algorithm ends. So that's all. Thank you.